Top 3 richest YouTubers in the world in 2025. Let's dive into the jaw-dropping numbers, starting with the third richest. At number 3, we have Logan Paul. Known for his WWE career, the impulsive podcast, and the viral Prime sports drink he co-founded with KSI. Logan's estimated net worth is around $100 million, with annual earnings between $20 million and $38 million. And depending on Prime's valuation, Logan could even join the billionaire club. At number 2, it's Jeffree Star. This beauty mogul turned his YouTube fame into a cosmetics empire. With a net worth of roughly $200 million and an annual YouTube income of $16 to $20 million, Jeffree's makeup brand generates over $100 million annually. Talk about turning glam into gold. And in first place, the undisputed king of YouTube, MrBeast. With a net worth of $500 million, he runs the most subscribed creator channel on the platform, boasting 300 million followers and over 400 million subscribers across all channels. His content, ranging from outrageous stunts to superlative giveaways, has raked in over 75 billion views. Forbes even predicts MrBeast could become the first YouTube billionaire. These creators prove that YouTube is more than a platform. It's a gateway to unimaginable success. Which YouTuber inspires you the most? Let us know in the comments.